It's an administrative court proceeding. I always like to tell people it's filing a dead loss or filing a lawsuit against your dead self. Doesn't that sound good? And that's pretty morbid. So essentially what happens, probate is the process. So when somebody passes away, they have to, their stuff has to go somewhere, right? So let's say you have a house, let's say you have a car, you have some cash, maybe a puppy. I don't know. We'll see. But you die, we've got to make sure that those assets are getting to the next generation or the people that you want. Probate is the process of involving the court to make sure that we're going to do that. Now, as you can imagine, going to court is probably not fun. Anytime I ask somebody, hey, have you ever been through probate? And they say, yeah, I've been through probate. And I ask them, how was it? And they're like, it was the most awful experience ever.
Yeah, because you're grieving and I got to go through probate.
Well, yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's it. So when you're dealing with probate, you're dealing with the loss of usually a loved one. Usually it's a loved one.
That's fair.
Usually it's a loved one. And now you're going to deal with the court, which is just always a miserable experience. I've been an attorney now for 12 years and I hate going to court.
I don't like going to court.
So if I can avoid going to court, that's what I want to do. So, so what we're going to talk about. So probate essentially is allowing yourself to file a lawsuit against your dead self. So your stuff can be dispersed to whomever you want. Now, if you don't have a plan, which means you don't have at least a will, and a will is simply, where does my stuff go if I die? And if you have little kids, it's who's going to take care of my kids if I pass away, which as a dad is pretty scary. So,
Yep.
So I know you don't have kids yet. I know they're hopefully on the way some point in time in the future.
Yeah.
I have two little girls. They're 8 and 10, Natalie and Sasha.
Crazy.
Shelby's biggest fans, by the way. They're always in the front row at any of the shows she does.
I love that.
If I passed away, my wife passed away, who's going to take care of it? So having a plan is really important to make sure that not only your stuff transfers to whom you want, but your loved ones who are underage are taken care of.
Mm-hmm.
So essentially that's what probate is. It's the court proceeding to help administer